everyone. I'm Pavitra Halkatti, the founder trustee of VG Fatmo Halkatti Foundation. This evening we just conducted this 145th birth anniversary celebrations. In commemoration of the same, this is our second national annual award ceremony. The previous year was the first year which we established the same. It's a national award ceremony with three verticals, being education, literature and philanthropy. Today the awardees were Dr. Prabhakar Kore for education, Dr. Tejaswini Anand Kumar for philanthropy, and Dr. Shivacharya Panditaradhya Sanehalli Swamiji for literature. This evening was a grand success. This was held at Gandhi Bhavan. It was well attended by all the prominent and eminent people of Bangalore. Each awardee was given rupees 1 lakh as an award sum and being felicitated by our chief guest, Shri H.K. Patilji, our Honorable Minister for Law and Parliamentary Affairs. So this was a grand success. Thank you all to everyone who witnessed this, and you all made it a point to come and be a part of the celebration.
ಮೇಡಮ್, ಮುಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳ ಯೋಜನೆ ರೂಪುರೇಷೆಗಳೇನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
You know?
ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
This will continue every year July.
ಓಕೆ.